Okay guys, we are going to share a new tool for SEO. As usual, we could copy the domain name here and paste here. Then we can get the number of backlinks and unique backlinks, links to homepage, and no follow backlinks. First of all, we can see here, this is the anchor text, and we can find it here around 40 inches or under here. Then we can check it here. It's a fantastic blog. Then we check the second backlinks here. The domain name is here, 247pressrelease.com. Yeah, it's here, and we can get both here. And the backlink is not located at the comment area. The domain authority is very high here, 89, 86, or even 78. Most of them are quite great, but only some of them are not just as bad as the most above. For example, here, Alexa top domain list, page 822. If we do the backlinks, we won't list it here. And even Canton Fair map home design, I don't think it's a good choice here. But frankly, this is a very good website with good top backlinks. Okay, if you also would like to use this tool, please just paste your domain here and click check button, then you can get your result. Okay guys, see you next time.